Hi everybody, my name's Del. This half term we are going to be looking at different ways we can make, create and use puppets. So across the 5 weeks we're going to spend each week focusing on one style of puppet that we'll make ourselves and have a look at how we can use it. And then in the final week, the 5th week, what we're going to do is get all those puppets together and create a puppet show with those puppets. It'd be brilliant if you can start to think about collecting some materials and things ready for the workshop. So that's what we're going to be up to. I'm really excited and look forward to meeting all of you and getting ready to do some puppet making. Thanks everyone, bye!